In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple assignment tracker in Google Sheets. We'll start fresh. Open a new Google Sheets document so you have a clean grid to work with. If you're coming from Google Drive, choose New, and then Google Sheets, and a blank spreadsheet will appear. This tracker will help you see everything at a glance and keep deadlines from sneaking up on you. At the very top, use the first row as your header row. Type the following column titles from left to right: assignment, name, due date, status, grade, and comments. Keeping these headings in row 1 makes the sheet easy to scan and ensures every piece of information has a home. Next, begin listing your work. In the assignment name column, enter the titles of all your assignments or tasks. Keep the names descriptive enough that you recognize them later, like Chapter 3 Worksheet or Research Outline, so you don't have to open another document to remember what each item is. In the due date column, add the deadline for each assignment. Pick a consistent date format that matches your region and stick with it. Consistency helps when you sort or filter later and prevents confusion. If you don't have an exact date yet, you can enter a tentative one as a placeholder and update it when you know more. Now set up a simple way to track progress. In the status column, you'll create drop-down menus so you can choose Not Started, In Progress, or Completed for each assignment. Start by selecting the status cells you plan to use, typically the entire column below the header. Then go to the top menu, choose Data, and click Data Validation. In the Criteria section, select List of Items. In the box that appears, type Not Started, In Progress, Completed, separated by commas, and then confirm to apply. Once that's saved, each status cell will show a drop-down arrow, letting you switch the state of an assignment with one click. This makes updating your tracker quick and consistent, and it avoids typos. Use the grade column to record the score or mark once it's available. This keeps your results in the same place you manage your tasks. The comments column is perfect for extra notes, things like links to rubrics, reminders from your instructor, or a short plan for what to do next. That's it. You now have a clear, structured assignment tracker with headings, due dates, and a tidy status dropdown. Keep it open while you study, update it as you progress, and you'll always know what's due, what's done, and what needs your attention next.